Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Wallpaper Play and signing in, because the app needs a profile to sync assets. Once done, give it storage and display permissions so images and animations can apply without errors. Make sure to select device orientation and resolution. This avoids stretched or cropped results. Then, tap Create to begin a new wallpaper. You will see the editor load immediately, and that first action moves you into the customization workflow. You now refine what the wallpaper does and looks like, so pick your source, local image, live pack, or a downloaded set, and import it. Next, adjust scale and position to frame the subject correctly, and set animation speed and loop percentage so motion feels natural. Once configured, add overlays or widgets and define any interactive hotspots. This makes the background functional. Finally, always use Preview to confirm timing and alignment before committing your changes. You finish by applying the wallpaper to the home or lock screen, choosing immediate or scheduled activation depending on your routine. After applying, save a preset so you can reuse this exact setup later, and export settings if you plan to move to another device. If anything goes wrong, no preview, crashes, or broken animations, clear the app cache first, then reset permissions. If that fails, restart the app or device, because rebooting resolves lingering resource conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.